Have you ever bet on anything? Some common things people bet on in the US are horse racing, certain card games, and football. If you've ever bet on anything, I'm sure you wanted to win. If you wanted to win, you knew you needed to know the odds. The odds are the likelihood you would win or not. Even though the expression, what are the odds, has nothing to do with betting, it does have a lot to do with probability, likelihood, chance, and the odds. Let's take a look at the expression, what are the odds? I'll explain it and give some examples of how it would be used. What are the odds is an expression we use that means what is the probability, likelihood, or chance that something will or will not happen. To explain it a little more, what are the odds refers to how likely something is to happen as the odds that it will happen. It might be helpful to understand the difference between high odds and low odds. If something is likely to happen, we would say the odds are high or good. For example, if I see rain clouds in the sky, I might say, what are the odds I will need my umbrella today? In this case, the probability or likelihood that there will be rain is high, so the odds are that I will need my umbrella. If something is not likely to happen, we would say the odds are low or not good. In the same example, if there are no rain clouds in the sky, I could still say, what are the odds I will need my umbrella today? In this case, the probability or chance that there will be rain is low, so the odds are that I won't need my umbrella. Here are some more examples of what are the odds. Note that a person's tone of voice can indicate if it's a sincere comment, as in likely to happen, or somewhat sarcastic, as in not likely to happen. What are the odds of finding a parking space near the store? I don't know about you, but I rarely seem to find a good parking place. They are always late. What are the odds they will be on time for dinner? You studied a lot for the test. What are the odds that you will pass? It's worth mentioning that there are some phrases which mean the same as what are the odds, such as what is the chance, what is the likelihood, and what is the probability. So why would you use the expression what are the odds instead of one of these other phrases? When you use the expression what are the odds, it's a more sophisticated use of English and shows you know how to use common expressions. Now that you understand what are the odds, can you think of a way you can use this expression? Think about your day. What is something you thought may or may not happen? That's the perfect time to use what are the odds. For example, I was out of town and drove about 3 hours to get home. Here's my example of something I might have said to myself before driving home. What are the odds I can make it home without stopping? In case you're wondering, I did stop for a latte. Leave your example of how you could use what are the odds in the comment section below. We want to know how you can use this expression. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Learn English naturally and speak it with confidence. Thank you for watching.